posted a video a few days ago about a Lion Diet grocery haul in which I showed you all the meat I would be eating for the week. And now I want to show you how to cook it. Got my crock pot here. I'm going to show you how absolutely easy it is to cook when you're on Lion Diet, because all you have is ruminant meat, salt, and water. So the first thing I'm going to do, so that I don't have much of a cleanup, is I'm going to put a liner in my crock pot. Doing the chuck roast that I bought that day, I put a little bit of beef broth in the bottom. Got my chuck roast out of the refrigerator. He's a big one. He is 3.64 pounds. It was $30.83, $8.47 a pound. This is probably one of the more expensive cuts of meat that I buy while I'm on Lion. But I do understand that $8.47 a pound for beef is really not that bad. Now sometimes when I make chuck roast, I do sear it in the pan about 5 minutes on each side in a cast iron skillet. But I have realized that I don't need to do that. So all I'm going to do is take this chuck roast, place it in the crock pot where I've already put a little bit of beef broth. I'm going to pour the rest of the beef broth that I have over the chuck roast. Sprinkle it with some sea salt. This may be Himalayan because it's pink. I use all different kinds of salts. I'm going to salt it liberally and cook this chuck roast low and slow for about 12 hours. So it's going to have time to break down all the collagen, and when I refrigerate the leftovers, the next day the tallow rises to the top and what's underneath is beef jelly, and that's how you know it's full of collagen. Put my lid on the crock pot, turn it to low, and that's it. I have to say, cooking on Lion Diet is so easy. You gotta try it sometime. I'll see you in the next one.